My course is medical malpractice litigation. It's a course that I've taught for many years. It's also a course that I live. I am a medical malpractice litigator and have been for nearly 40 years. We will touch on medical malpractice with respect to negligence, with respect to causation, with respect to damages. We'll talk about institutional liability. We'll talk about peer review. We'll talk about the areas that are unique to medical malpractice as they apply with legislation in California that is unique to California. The course material will be primarily based on case reviews. It'll be based upon some articles. We will have a syncretic method. We will talk about what you find interesting in cases. I will give some lecture, but most of the coursework will be done by discussion. Discussion is very important to me. The course will be a paper course. I share topics that I think are interesting, but more importantly, it's been my experience over the years that students who experience unique topics in medical malpractice litigation may find them immensely interesting and may want to write a paper on those. I am easy to work with. I'm more interested in you getting something out of the course in an area that you find interesting than me trying to share an area that I find interesting that you do not. And as a finale to the course, I like to bring in clients. That's always been a favorite. Clients who have been clients of mine and have had experience not only in medical malpractice but to the litigation process. I will also invite a retired judge or a sitting judge to come to present his or her side of the particular issues. One of the highlights of the case of the course, we do a mediation class where I present a factual situation to half the class. I present a different factual situation to the other half of the class, and then we split from each other, we mediate, and then we have a mediator come in. Historically, it has been another professor, and we try to resolve the case from a mediation standpoint. And with that, you'll understand not only the mediation process, but you'll understand how the mediation process generally is helpful with respect to resolving cases. What you take from the course are going to be usable, should be applied to all areas of litigation.